What's going on, guys? Today I'm here with a different video, although it's still with bass, but we don't just listen to bass and Bluetooth speakers, we also listen to bass with our headphones. Now I got two cheap pair of earphones here, and I have this. And if you look, this is a headphone amplifier that I bought from Amazon. And the only reason why I bought this wasn't because I wanted my headphones to be louder. It really was the only reason why I bought it because I had an idea. I said, what if I use one of these to boost up my Bluetooth speaker signal? Will that work? Will it give me more power and more bass? So we're just gonna go ahead and check that out. I already tried it, and you guys will see what happens. I don't want to spoil it, but this is what we got here. You got a low gain and a high gain, so if you put it on the H, it's obviously gonna be louder. Your charge button, your charge light's there, it turns on, and your charge, that's where you charge it, and it'll stay on and then turn off when it's finished, so it has a safety on it, so you don't have to worry about overcharging it. You got your input and your output and your volume. You turn it all the way down, it turns off. Your input, output, so your input would go here, so this one would go here into your cell phone, and then the other would go into your headphones. So it also came with just one of these, which is not too bad. It feels good. It's braided. So your input would be here, and this would go right into your cell phone. And then your headphones would then plug into here. I was gonna put those ones, but this, I'll tell you right now. So I got these earphones, which are kind of cheap. Bought them in those department stores for like $5. And this is how it would be. It's kind of a mess. Some of them even come with these bands that kind of go around your cell phone and it to connect together. Like this, I'll show you how. So it would be like this, and this would connect like this, and then they kind of like stick together, and that's how it works. So if I were to let's see if I do this. Let's go ahead and let's plug up this headphone amplifier into the cell. Okay, and then we're gonna turn it on and press play. Alright, so you can hear it. It's a lot louder. And you put it high for the high gain, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on real fast. And yes, I'm getting a lot better sound. A lot better. Do I even have this full volume? Alright, now that's full volume there on the phone. Whoa. Almost. Let me tell you one thing. If you get yourself one of these headphone amplifiers, you will blow your earphones. These earphones that I am using now already blew out already on me. They're no good anymore. I burned them out. That's why I'm kind of hesitating to use these, because I don't have very many wired earphones left. But that's how it works. And man, I'm telling you, the bass is a lot more. The volume just increased by a good 10%, if not maybe 12%. So that's pretty good. Or I should say maybe another 5 or 6 dBs. Yeah, it's pretty loud. If I turn off the high gain, ooh, man. So, very good results with this, even though it's just a cheap, very cheap amplifier. You can find this on Amazon for $30. I believe I paid $25 for it. And now we're going to connect it to this Bluetooth speaker and see if it makes it louder or not. Okay, so first we're going to listen to it really fast with just connected with Bluetooth by itself, no amplifier or nothing. And that's max volume. Max volume on this. So, hope you guys can remember that. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to pop in this here. I'm going to turn on my Bluetooth. So now I got my cell phone going through this. And I will put this through the input. And now I will get this and put this in the output. Then I will turn it on.
Enter aux in play-in.
Okay, so let's go ahead and push the volume all the way up. And I'll press play. Let's turn it on. I have it off. So far, I don't hear anything. Is it working here? Or? Yeah, see, I don't know. Oh, what an idiot. I plugged in the wrong one. Alright. So let's put the high gain on. Oh wow, it did do something. I mean, you guys are not going to be able to hear this, but it did. You could even hear when I click over to it. You could hear when I click over to it. Alright, so let's put it on full blast. Full blast here. And it's not full blast here though. That's full blast. So it did give it an extra boost of power, but I wouldn't say too much. But it did. Yeah, it does. It gave it a little boost. That's maxed out. See, I can put it full blast without pushing the high, and it won't sound too bad. But once I push the high and I put it full blast, whoa, it starts to get a little ugly there. So that did work, but wait a minute, I'm gonna try one more speaker here. All right, this is the speaker we're gonna use here. Let's turn this garbage on. This is garbage. It's not too bad of a speaker.
Enter to Bluetooth.
It doesn't have an amplifier. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off again. Leave it there. Turn on my Bluetooth. On this. Then I'm going to pop that into here. Then I'm going to take this and put this into here. And then I'm going to turn it on right here.
Enter aux in play-in.
Okay, so that's connected. Oh, my Bluetooth ain't connected. What's going on here? Okay, so this is with the amplifier on. The high is on. It is adding a tad bit more bass. Oh man, that just sounds horrible.
If you've got the time.
Alright, let's wait for this stupid ad to finish. This is one of those imitations, obviously, you guys can tell. So this is full blast on the cell phone. And it's full blast on here. And the high's on as well. I have the high on. Yeah, come on. What the? Well, I guess it doesn't feel like focusing right now. But it did get a little louder. A little bit. And let's go ahead and see one more time. Let's full blast it.
Drop the bass.
So that's full blast.
Drop the bass.
And now I'm going to turn the Bluetooth off of this. Then I'm going to turn that.
Enter to Bluetooth. Bluetooth connected.
And we'll see how loud it goes. That's max volume, guys.
Drop the bass.
So yeah, it does make a difference. It actually made a big difference on this speaker.
Drop the bass.
So if you were ever wondering and going down, you know, maybe looking for something to buy, headphones, and you ran into one of these and you wondered, I wonder if that would make my Bluetooth speaker louder. Yeah, it will and it won't. So it's like, it will and then it might not. But definitely on these cheap things like this, it really does work a lot better. It even adds bass to it and stuff. So it's not too bad. I would just say this, that adding one of these is only going to add about another, it's only going to add another maybe 6 decimals and they won't even sound right. So hope that helps anybody out. Somebody, maybe. So thanks a lot for watching, and thanks for subscribing.